Yo, what's up, guys? So today we'll be doing the weekly outlook for the next week. So let's start with the DXY chart. So yeah, there's nothing on the weekly time frame. Let's start with the daily time frame. So the previous week, uh, market opened on DXY and tapped into the consequent encroachment of this weekly week. You could see consequent encroachment of that week. Monday opened here, tapped into that, and then tapped into this old bullish fair value gap in discount. So if you take this range right here, sure, you could see that PDRA is within the discount range. So price tapped into that, showed us some reaction, and we also have this new opening price on of 16th June. You could see bodies of the candles respecting that price, and yeah, we saw some reaction off of that. And for me, I'm currently bullish on DXY. So for the next week, I'll probably look for price to tap into this bullish fair value gap on the daily time frame one more time uh, on Monday. And we also be looking at this volume imbalance right here. So I'll also look for this volume imbalance to be filled. So you could expect price to open, maybe tap into this lower quadrant one more time and create a lower low here and then move up. That's what I'm gonna be expecting on DXY. If we go to a 4-hour time frame, you could see price is within this dealing range premium zone right now. It's in premium. So on Monday, we'll probably see price opens, sweep these highs, and then probably create a lower low and then move up from that bullish daily fair value gap. That's what I want to expect. And if you take that range, also this range, you will see price when we see that lower low price probably would be in discount at that time. So that's the scenario I'll be looking for on the XY. And let's move on to Euro. On Euro, I was looking for bearish prices. I was looking for these loads to be taken out on Euro. So if we go to the daily time frame, you could see price opened on Monday right there. It went up into this order block right here, then showed some rejection and tapped into this order blocks mean threshold level. That down close candle, the first one. I'm not picking this one because the lowest candle is this one. You could say that dug deep, right? So that's why I picked that order block right here. So I'm not sure about what you are gonna do, but probably we'll see some sort of manipulation. And if possible, then we'll probably see price take out that high. That high right there, price probably gonna take out that high and then go down. That's what I'm expecting price to do. And at that same time, probably euro will make a lower high. So that's my analysis on the daily time frame. On the hourly, there's nothing we can say on the hourly time frame, but yeah, on the daily time frame, price could possibly sweep that high and then fall. We also have a 4-hour CB right here as well. So yeah, we have these two draw on liquidity on euro. So I'll be looking for these two on euro. And let's move on to the pound chart. All right, on pound, I'm looking at these lows to be swept. I'm also bearish for pound. And on the daily time frame, I'll be looking for this bullish order block opening price and these equal lows right here. So these are my drawn liquidity for GE. But if you look closely, GEP is not willing to take a retracement right now. So it might indicate that GU is probably more weaker than Euro. So the next week probably it's gonna fail to sweep that high, while Euro probably gonna sweep that high, that correlated swing high, and then GU probably gonna start going down. That's what I wanna see on GU. On the 4-hour time frame, let me take all this off. On the 4-hour time frame, we could expect price to at least sweep these lows, I mean these highs at least, and then go down. If we could see that type of scenario, then that's the best condition for us to look for sells on pound. So that's my analysis for pound. Yeah, let's see how the next week's gonna deliver price. All right, let's go to NAS. Take all this off, bro. On NAS, I think NAS probably gonna uh, keep going higher. Previous week we saw NAS step into this outer block right here. We also had some imbalance right here, bullish fair value gap. We had some bullish fair value gap right here as well, and it took out these liquidity right here. So yeah, we might see more higher price on NAS to grow, and yeah, if NAS continues going higher, then ES probably will also continue going higher. On the hourly time frame, there's nothing, but try to look for one thing. Try to look for if price can give us a pullback into this bullish fair value gap in discount, so that we can look for longs on NAS. On the 4-hour time frame, we have this bullish fair value gap right here. So you should also keep your eyes on that. But let's see. We don't know how the hourly or the 4-hour time frame gonna play out, but we can do the analysis on the daily time frame. I'm gonna expect more higher prices on NAS and ES. It's yeah. So yeah, I think that's it for the day. That's my weekly analysis for the next week. Let's see how the week goes, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow during the stream, bro. So yeah, peace out. Stay blessed.